What is the cheapest electric car to insure in 2023? You are interested in what is the cheapest electric car to insure in 2023, right? What is the cheapest electric car to insure in 2023? Several factors influence your insurance rate, but the make and model of your vehicle is a major contributor to your total insurance cost. The cost of your insurance is affected by the age of your vehicle, the cost of repairs after an accident, and the likelihood that your vehicle will be stolen. The great news is that you can utilize this data to your advantage by purchasing one of the best cars to insure. So, what is the cheapest electric car to insure? What is the cheapest electric car to insure in 2023? With an annual auto insurance cost of $1,990, the Ford F-150 is the cheapest car to insure among the top-selling vehicles studied. This is 16% less than the average annual cost of all vehicles in our survey. Furthermore, the CR-V has a lower annual insurance cost than the most expensive vehicle to insure, the BMW X5. Cheaper does not always mean better. There is a time and place for cheap and cheerful, but auto insurance is not one of them. Cheap auto insurance can sometimes imply that you don't have adequate coverage or that there are numerous exceptions to what is covered. The most important aspect of a car cover is that you are completely protected when you need it. However, some vehicles are less expensive to insure than others. Have we piqued your curiosity? Let us investigate. What influences cost more than car model? Although the type of car you drive influences the expense of your insurance, many other aspects also have an impact on your rate. Car insurance. Your zip code, as well as your gender, may be used to help identify your insurance rates. Some, but not all, of these factors are within your control, which means you can use them to help lower your car insurance cost over time. Age. Your age has a significant impact on your premium costs, which is why insurance rates for teenagers and young drivers are so high. Because of the lack of driving experience, as well as the increased likelihood of reckless, irrational behavior, insurance companies are more inclined to pay out claims for younger drivers. Elders and older drivers, on the other hand, generally see their insurance rates decrease over time. Gender. Your gender can be utilized to better decide your insurance premiums depending on where you live. This is more noticeable among younger drivers. But drivers of all ages can experience premium differences based on their gender. Driving record. Your driving record is the most important determinant of your insurance rate. Because new drivers have no history, they typically face the highest rates. Drivers with a history of accidents, DUIs, tickets, and other infractions are also at risk of receiving some of the highest percentages available. Avoiding tickets, accidents, and other problems can help you keep your insurance premiums cheap. Location. Because each state follows its own insurance rules and regulations, rates can vary greatly from state to state. Even within the same state, relocating from one zip code to another may significantly alter your premiums due to the rates of vehicle thefts, accidents, and other potential assertions issues in each area. Coverage level. One of the most important factors that influence your insurance rates is your coverage level. Drivers with older vehicles may opt for liability-only coverage. People with newer cars, or those who are unable to afford to upgrade their vehicle on their own, will want to carry comprehensive collision coverage in addition to liability. When taking out a loan for a vehicle, most financial institutions require drivers to have full coverage. Deductible. The portion of your car insurance deductible that you commit to paying out of pocket in the case of a claim. A higher deductible can help you save money on insurance by lowering the amount your company has to pay in the event of an accident. Credit score. In many states, your credit score has a direct impact on your insurance premiums. People with lower credit scores are much more likely to file a claim. Whereas people with higher credit scores become less probably to need to file a claim and are more probable to pay the costs out of pocket to prevent a rise in their premiums if they are involved in an accident. You can get great car insurance even if you have bad credit, but you must get multiple quotes. This way, you can ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Why do the make and model of a car affect the premium price? Of course, the kind of vehicle you drive influences how much you pay for car insurance. Everything from engine size to safety features as well as the cost of maintenance or replacement is considered. When calculating your premium, we must take everything into account. A car with a large, turbocharged motor and expensive extras, for example, may cost more to repair or replace than a car designed for reliability and safety. To summarize, your average AB school run or grocery store car will be less expensive to insure than a show-stopping, jaw-dropping Batmobile. If cheap car insurance is a priority for you, look at the built-in safety features as well as the average cost of repairs, because insurers will. That's not all. Cars are also classified into car insurance groups, and the group in which your vehicle is classified will affect your premium price. So, how can you save money on car insurance? When calculating the cost of your car insurance premium, an insurer considers a variety of factors. Everything from the make as well as the model of your car to your address as well as occupation factors into how much you pay for car insurance. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. Nor is there a perfect recipe for low-cost insurance, but there are suitable ways to obtain lower-cost insurance. Remember that less expensive is not always better, particularly when it comes to something as essential as car insurance. You want to know you'll be covered if you require it, so in addition to ensuring the price is appropriate for you, make sure the coverage is right for you as well.